Good day and welcome to the Weather Centre this Friday. It's a cloudy start to the day over the northern parts of South Africa after a high pressure system brought in lots of moist air overnight, and there's a chance of a few showers in the Eastern Cape at first, while a cold front brings more cloud and rain to the western half of the country with low daytime temperatures. Let's take a closer look at the cloud and rain forecast for today on our super microcast. We can actually see the cloud burning off over the northern interior this afternoon. Showers initially along the escarpment, especially in the vicinity of Lesotho this morning, and cloudy wet conditions over the western parts of South Africa eventually spreads to the south coast this evening. So here's a look at our rainfall probabilities for today. A low risk of drizzle at first along the escarpment in Limpopo, a few showers at first surrounding Lesotho, even over the southern Free State, and scattered showers likely in the Cape Metropole, which eventually spreads to the south coast this evening. Daytime temperatures remain low over the western interior, only 10 degrees in Sutherland today, 15 in Cape Town and Dar, slightly warmer along the Eastern Cape coastline with East London warming up to 22, a lovely day along the KwaZulu-Natal coastline with Durban at 25 degrees, but a cold afternoon in Gauteng with Johannesburg reaching a high of 16. Now let's take a closer look at the coastal forecast for today. An onshore circulation persists in the west. Northwesterlies up to 25 kilometers per hour with rain to the south of Lambert's Bay. There's an open ocean swell of 2 meters with a southwesterly direction, while high tide is expected just before 12:30 this afternoon. Fresh to strong winds likely along the southwest coast all day long. Wind speeds up to 45 kilometers per hour in the vicinity of Cape Agulhas with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters. Now with the low pressure system churning to the south of the country, we're expecting slightly bigger wave heights along the southern coastline up to 3.5 meters between Mossel Bay and Port Elizabeth with fresh to strong northwesterly winds. Winds turn southwesterly along the Wild Coast, eventually speeds up to 20 kilometers per hour. Lovely conditions along the east coast today. High daytime temperatures in KwaZulu-Natal with fresh northeasterly winds in the vicinity of Richards Bay with an open ocean swell of 2.5 meters.
News that moves. eNCA.com.